This video we're going to talk about formatting text in HTML. As we had talked about in previous videos, that when you put in text within HTML, it simply outputs the content rendered as is through your browser. So you don't necessarily need to have closing tags around it other than the body tags. And that will simply open and close your HTML code within the body. So here we've got an example of a whole bunch of different types of HTML that we're rendering out. Now this, all it is just a separate line. It says text line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as we can see here, when it's rendered out by different line breaks within the coding, this is how the output looks like. If we were to remove one of these line breaks, even though that we have it within our coding nicely lined up, we're going to see that the output here no longer includes that line break. So we've got these two are going to be on the same line as they are here in our example. And we see that number 3, 4, 5 are still, it's reading still the line breaks. So what's happening here is when your browser comes to read this HTML code, it reads through the code, starting at the top left, reads through everything, it hits this one, outputs this text as is, text line 1. And then with HTML, it only includes one space. So even if we had a whole bunch of spaces here, it still would only include the one space. So it removes out all the additional white space other than one between the two different lines of text here. So here we've got a whole bunch of white space that gets removed out. It sees, okay, one piece of white space, and then the rest is ignored. It moves to the following code here. So it doesn't have a line break, so it doesn't break the line. It reads out text line 2. And then here we see that it hits the line break tag, and it says, okay, well, after text line 2, there is a line break, and it's going to go to a following tag. There also are ways to include it as a paragraph. So with paragraphs, they work slightly different than line breaks. Just going to show you that how the paragraph tag works. So paragraph tag is just with a P and a closing P. So it's a little bit different than the line break. And as we can see here, it creates this more of a paragraph type where you've got an actual space between the next content. So here we've got the paragraph, and then we've got space, and then we've got the content that continues through. Thanks a lot for watching. We've got some more great content coming up, so please subscribe, as well as we look forward to any questions or comments.